Hello, you guys, and welcome. Today, we're going to be talking about some more mushroom coffee. Now, if you guys saw my last video, I reviewed Ryze mushroom coffee, and spoiler alert, I really enjoyed it. I liked the taste, I liked the benefits, I just overall really liked it. Well, I had been purchasing that since September, and it was a little on the pricey side. It was about $36 a month, and I wanted to see if there was anything else out there. So, I found something. So before I show you guys what it is, I found it on Amazon, of course, because everything's on Amazon. The reason I picked this one was because, well, for starters, it was $21 for 35 servings, whereas the Ryze is $36 for only 30 servings. But when I got this in the mail, I kind of thought I was being punked. Let me show you. This thing is so tiny. Like, how is this 30 servings? Compared to the Ryze, this is only 2.5 ounces, whereas the Ryze, I want to say, was somewhere around 6 ounces. So I was a little skeptical. I was like, well, why is this so little? You open it up, it is a very, very, very fine powder, and you need less. It's less than the Ryze. So you just put 1 teaspoon of this mixed with water. The smell is nothing like mushrooms. I almost said nothing like coffee. It does smell like coffee. So, okay, let's talk about what's in these bad boys. So this is called La Republica, if I'm saying that correctly. This is their instant mushroom coffee, focus and energy. So it has lion's mane, chaga, reishi, cordyceps, turkey tail, maitake, and shiitake. Maitake, if I'm saying any of those properly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 mushrooms in this one. And there's only 7 mushrooms in the Ryze coffee. And so I looked up the ingredients for this one, and this just has those 7 mushrooms, and then it has USDA organic fair trade Arabica, you know what I'm trying to say, shade grown coffee. So that is the only ingredients in this, whereas the Ryze has the 6 mushrooms, it has MCT oil, and then the coffee. And I'm not exactly sure what MCT oil is. I will find it and put it up on the screen for you guys. So this one only has 7 calories. And you know what? I don't know how many the Ryze has. Let me look. Okay, so the Ryze coffee has 15 calories, and this one only has 7. So if you're doing a comparison, oh, and I didn't even talk about the caffeine count. So this one is going to have 75 milligrams of caffeine, whereas the Ryze has 48. So that depends on what you guys want. I'm okay with 75 milligrams because I usually won't drink anything besides this. Like, I won't drink other coffee. I might have a tea or something, but I won't have another coffee as well. So if we're talking about like just all of that on paper so far, I would say this one is going to be the winner. But I do want to go into flavor as well. So on my last video, I got so many comments. My favorite comment was that the Ryze tasted like beef gravy. First of all, I don't eat beef, and if it tasted like beef gravy, I would not be able to drink it. I think there were some comments that it tasted like vomit. Okay, so I have thoughts. After I got this in the mail, I made a cup immediately and I drank this. So in my other video, I don't think I tried it for you guys without creamer, but I have tried it without creamer before. But this one, I tried this without creamer and I could have drank the whole entire cup. It actually tasted like coffee. So I did a little experiment the next day and I tried my Ryze coffee without creamer, and compared to this, yeah, some of you guys are right. It did kind of taste like vomit. I'm not gonna lie. But neither one of them tasted at all like mushrooms. I will say that. Okay, so let's go back to the comparison. I'm just gonna put everything up on the screen. So for this La Republica, we are looking at $21.99 for 35 servings, 7 mushrooms plus the coffee for the ingredients, 75 milligrams of caffeine, and 7 calories. Now, if we go on over to the Ryze, we're talking about $36 for 30 servings, 6 mushrooms with MCT oil and coffee for the ingredients, 48 milligrams of caffeine, and 15 calories. So on paper, yeah, I would say this one. And I'm not going to lie, you guys, I like the flavor of this one way better. I could sit and drink this thing like all day long. I've only been using this for a few days now, and I haven't like noticed a drastic change from how I was feeling before, because I was drinking the Ryze for, let's see, so almost 8 months I was drinking that. So I'm curious to see how I feel after switching over to this one. But honestly, I prefer this one, you guys, over the Ryze. And I was pretty surprised because I was defending that coffee. Like, all the comments I got on my other video about how it tasted bad and it was this or that, I was like, no, this stuff is awesome. But I'm so happy I ventured out and looked for something different because I like this one so much better. Okay, so I am on their site, and I'm going to just talk to you guys about like the claims that they say mushroom coffee. If you guys are not familiar with what mushroom coffee is supposed to do for you, I'm just going to read off a couple things. Designed to elevate your morning ritual, our coffee offers a unique blend that not only enhances the flavor of coffee, but also provides a healthier, more sustainable, and energizing alternative to traditional brews. So, some of the key benefits: delicious and energizing, nutrient rich. It has essential vitamins such as vitamin D, E, antioxidants, and some other words I don't know. Affordable excellence. That is very true. It says it comes out to about 60 cents per serving, way cheaper than Starbucks. Perfect for all diets, suitable for vegans, organic enthusiasts, and those with dietary restrictions. It's dairy free, gluten free, and free from fillers. It says it has an eco friendly packaging, manufacturing excellence. It's packaged in a gold standard level 3 facility in Los Angeles, and the coffee meets the highest quality standards. Sustainable sourcing. We partner with small farm growers who form the foundation of fair trade exchange, ensuring that our mushrooms are grown sustainably. So, and I didn't really, that wasn't even like into the benefits of the mushrooms. That was just their key benefits. Let's get into that mushroom benefits. Like I said, there's seven different ones, and I will put them up here on the screen too as well. The chaga, if I'm saying them correctly, fights the common cold, promotes radiant skin, supports hair growth. Sweet. The maitake enhances digestion, aids in weight control, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Cordyceps boosts sports performance, increases energy, and provides allergy support. Shiitake supports liver function, addresses skin issues, and helps lower cholesterol. Lion's mane improves concentration and focus, benefiting the nervous system. Reishi enhances sleep quality, assists with seasonal allergies, and offers stress release. And the turkey tail provides antioxidants and balances gut bacteria. So that's a lot of claims there. Now that I've told you all about what this brand is supposed to offer, let's go over and make it. Okay, so now we are over here. I've got my coffee maker on. So what I'm going to do is just take a teaspoon. Now this is actually the spoon I got with my Ryze coffee. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this. So I just take a little bit. That's about a teaspoon, and put it into my cup. Creamer of choice right now is the Twix Zero Sugar. Yep, don't judge. So I'm going to pour some of that in here. What I like to do is take my little milk frother, and I'm going to froth this up. So what that does, it just kind of mixes everything together, make sure there's no like gritty pieces, which I don't think there are because this one is very fine, but it kind of froths up the cream. And so when I add the water, it almost like acts like a latte when it's finished. So I just do the middle one, and we'll just let that fill up. All right, now let's go chat a little bit more. Okay, honestly, who needs Starbucks? It's so good. It's so good when you froth it. It's seriously like a latte. All right, guys, there you have it. This is my little comparison / review of La Republica mushroom. All right, you guys, there you have it. That is my little comparison of these two mushroom coffees. I would say if you're looking to try one, I would go for this one. If you've already tried Ryze, I recommend trying this one. But if you haven't gotten one yet and you're on the fence about trying it, try this one. It tastes so much better. I'm not going to lie. And I mean, it has like all the same benefits that Ryze says that they have, maybe more. And it has a little bit more caffeine, less calories. It just depends on what you're looking for. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know down in the comments. You tried either of these two coffees? What do you guys think? Are you wanting to try it? I'll have this coffee linked down below in my description. You can find it on Amazon. I know Target was selling it too, like online. But yeah, I'll have those linked down below for you guys. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.